All right. Hi, hello everyone. Sam is here from my first magicgrave.com. Uh, Making this a small video just to show that how this my new system is working and how you can get it and trade it very easily. It's right in front of you. I have created several systems, one after the other, and this is the latest one and the best one. You will see. So let's get started. Get to the point. These are different candles. They're not regular candlestick candles, but they are candlestick, but they're called Renkos because the Renko candles and different people have different ways to use them. Different settings will give you different results. So this is what I have. This is how I'm using it, and I want to show it to you. So this is a little bit like a higher time frame chart that I'm showing you, and I earlier I made this. Let me see if I can find it. This is Euro Aussie. Earlier I made this chart and here. Okay, so earlier I made this chart and sent out to my subscribers. That's what I do. When you subscribe, you get these charts, heads up in the email. So as a before chart, I made this up, and then you can clearly see that this is what happened here. That the price went above it, came back, tested this high, and then bounced. You can see how far, how long, and then it did the same thing from here, and then it came back. This 168%. There's that. All in all, I made this chart and I send out. And once you subscribe, you will get. Obviously the whole system and everything. So this is a little bit higher time frame. So what we do is once we have the setup here, then we go from a shorter time frame and we make the entry. And you can see this 10th of December. This was the setup here, and the trade that I took from there. It's December 10th. Is this, and it's only showing here 75th, but it's gone pretty far to the upside. Okay, it's way above the pivot point. I think right now is 150, above 150.80. So this is, you can see, is 150, 54. So this was the trade based on that, and you can see is the setup is this indicator is all the way down, and what I call is EB system is like engulfing bar. This is a reversal setup. And this line, the white line, you can see exactly this is what it is. Let me show you again. This high, this is 49.62, and this 61% is 49.60. So this is what it is. 69. I mean 49.62. So what you do is you mark that. You see, I draw this here, right? So the price came, bounced from here, gave you entry, beautiful entry here, and then gone with the wind. So this is how easy it is. And several pairs. It's not only this one. I've been trading, and it's marvelous results. This was see this when it was coming down. This is a short sell order here. When it was coming down, I knew that that's the high that we need to come down, 49.62. So it was coming down from here, and I ended up. And this is right here. See 49.65. So this is where 49.62 is. So I was actually asleep. Otherwise, I would have closed it here. But I had 49.70. Somehow didn't close my limit. It went up a little bit, and then finally I closed right around here. And when once it came down again, and it bounced from there, and I got it again. Then you can see it start bouncing from that area, nice and clean. Before that was on 8th December. Again, you can see how beautiful this entry is. When it was going up, nice and clean entry. And this is on the 9th. We can see here it came down. Again, there was a SNL level here, and it bounced from there. So it's very easy, very doable. But you need to get my analysis once in a while. For example, let me show you what happened to GJ, pound I have the chart. GJ is here. See, this is the analysis that I knew that this is what's going to happen. Something like that I have made almost in every pair. But for example, I'm showing you this here that, okay, my analysis and this and that. All of these charts I've been watching, and I have these charts made up for years and years. So whenever the setup builds, I have it, and we trade according to that, in that direction. So on the 6th December, it was here that, it will go up. And then if I see an up move, why shouldn't I take it, right? So similarly, this, nice and clean setup in our trading time, because you cannot trade this forex market at 24-hour, by the way. Okay, very, very dangerous. So there are specific timings when the volume comes in, and at that, in those timing, you have to watch for the setup. So you see, if there was an entry here, it went up and then came back, took me out for, break even. So I'm not even bothering, showing that. But this entry, it went up and then it never came down, and all the, went to the upside. It is on the 9th, and I think I did something on the 10th. You can see here. Again, same thing. There was an area, 0719. If you go and, well, I don't have the chart here, but this is on a higher time frame, was a nice support area. So it came down, it bounced from here, see, then came back and gave me a long setup, and boom, gone with the wind. This one could have taken this one and this one, right? So this one also went, pretty far to the upside. So, and look at these, 70 pip, 80 pip, 100 pip, easy from these pairs. When the others not moving, then, why bother? Pound Aussie, pound USD, Euro USD, they're not moving much nowadays. So I start with that. And also GJ, I did a couple of good trades in GJ. But like I said, don't have too many charts. Just wanted to show you a little bit that this is the system, and it's very easy. And if you subscribe on a monthly bit, service, that you not only get to learn all of that, because you will be attending my live webinar where I will explain this, and what it is, how to download in your MT4 platform, how to use them, what to look for, what are the timings, everything else you learn in my live webinars. And all of my webinars are recorded, so they are all the recording, hundreds of recordings on my website. Plus on the email, and you will get all this before charts. Let me see what happened to euro. You can see here, December 1st, euro USD chart. You can see how it is now, and then what happened to this chart is this. Okay, today is this. This is the old one. So this is today. So from here to here, nice and clean. Several hundred pips bounce. So I have too many charts to show to you. It's just like everywhere. Plus the index. If you go on my website, you will see a lot of index charts that I follow. By the way, Aussie, Euro Aussie trades. All the trades that I did, that I showed just now, they were the Aussie index had a big role in it. Okay, it plays a big part of it. You will learn everything, how to where to get those indexes and how to judge them, how to analyze those charts, index charts, and then implement those results into these pair charts. Euro USD, I have a Euro weekly chart, I guess, and it was going from point C to point D. Butterfly, and it bounced beautifully, and that's why this thing bounced here, and Euro Aussie went up, Euro Yen went up because of the Euro index bounce, big time. Okay, so that chart is still valid, so I cannot show it here. Once you subscribe, you get it. So a lot of big charts, they are still valid, they are playing out. So, but the reason to make this video is just to show you that this is how you get it. Before chart was here, now it's after so far, it's still expecting an up move, way up. So you get not only my before charts, but you get the whole system, and I'll teach you. You learn how to use it every day. The same, rinse repeat kind of story. There's a slow time when the market just retraces, and then there's a volume time when the whole volume comes in, all the big boys comes in, and then they hit the market start moving, and we need to jump in those timings. Simple as that. So if you like, if you think it's worthwhile, just go on my website, look around, and if you like it, then just go ahead and subscribe and become a part of it, and start trading the way I just showed you. My trading, okay, nice and clean trades, beautiful trades, okay. So this is it for now, and hope to see you in my group. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.